Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The World's Longest Sock, written and illustrated by Juliann Law. Please enjoy. The World's Longest Sock. Ah, yes, the world's longest sock. This is quite the remarkable story about two people who simply would not give up. It all started with Nia, who loved knitting. She made socks for her children and her children's children. She made so many socks, she opened up her own sock shop. To bring in more customers, she hung a sock outside her door, one long sock. She added a row after each sale. As the business grew, so did the sock. More and more people came by to see the sock grow, and more people meant more sales. Nia told people, "Come see the world's longest sock. I'm going to set a world's record." She knew that would make her sock business boom. She invited me, the world's record judge, to come see her sock and make it official. But far away in a forest valley, a lonely lumberman named Chuck was working on another sock that was also super long. He learned to knit on cold, lonely nights while he watched TV. He started knitting his sock in episode 1 of Zombies from New Zealand and forgot to stop. By episode 10, his knee-high sock was neck high. Then one night, tucked in and ready to snooze, Chuck sat up when he heard the news. Today in Chile, Nia set a record for the world's longest sock. Crowds are cheering and everyone has come from miles around to see this incredible sock. People are excited about that sock? Heck, mine is better, said Chuck. Mine could win the world's record. Then I'll be famous. Then I'll have friends. He picked up his phone and called. Soon after, Nia was cheerfully chatting with all her new customers when her award was yanked off the wall by yours truly. On the other side of the world, the usually quiet valley erupted with noise and excitement. Chuck had won. Neighbors gathered to celebrate. Neighbors he had never knew he had. He felt good to have someone laugh at his jokes, someone to talk to about zombie movies, someone to share soup with. Cheer. But Nia would not give up that easily. She pushed up her sleeves and got back to work. Curd, dye, spin. Sorry folks, this award has been provoked. Until there's a clear winner, it will remain unclaimed. These two socks are too close to size. Chuck's neighbors unveiled. From that point, Nia and Chuck were locked in furious competition, fighting to make the world's longest sock. Nia kept knitting. Her family and customers rallied around her as the sock took over the town. Nia in the lead by a yard of yarn. Time kept ticking, and Chuck kept knitting. His neighbors came to help and cheer him on. Chuck ahead by a foot. This is a real nail biter. Who will win the great sock race? Hold on to your socks. Nia strides to the front. A new leader, Chuck, is in luck. Chuck, Nia, Chuck. Chuck and Nia kept at it. This competition was out of control. The world was divided. People took sides. Nia knitted until her hands were blistered and sore. Chuck's fingers were numb and his eyes were blurry. And what was it all for? Nia's shop was a success, but her family was proud. But how could she work in her store with her hands like this? Chuck had found friendship and love. Isn't this what he really wanted? He became a dad. Wasn't that the best award? Just when you thought that he should stop, a familiar face came on the news. Houston, we have a solution. Together, these rolling wonders make the world's longest pair of socks. And together, Chuck and Nia accepted their award. 2 socks, after all, are better than 1. Oh. Well, that's incredible. Would you ever challenge someone to do that? Let me know in the comment box if you would ever challenge somebody to make a longest sock. And if you think you could do it, let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one. Take care, everybody. And have a great day.